Hey guys, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1968 Chevrolet C10 short bed pickup truck. Now, this truck has been nut and bolt, completely frame off restored 222 miles ago. And when I tell you it's been completely restored, I mean every nut and every bolt on this truck has been replaced. This truck is absolutely stunning in every way. The paint on this truck is absolutely flawless, in my eyes anyway. I've been all around this thing and I don't see any nicks, dings, chips, scrapes, scratches, nothing. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful pickup, stunning paint, blue and white. The door gaps, the panel fitment, beautiful. The stainless trim, chrome, bright work, everything is new. The emblems, lights, mirrors, door handles, lock cylinders. Gorgeous truck, plaid seat, padded dash. Check out the door jambs, the paint. You can just see the quality of this truck. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, 327 engine under the hood, automatic. There we go. Dual snorkel air cleaner, aluminum intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads. Just check out this thing. This thing is so freaking nice. And the paint underneath the hood and the inner fenders is just like, and the bottom side of the hood, just like the outside of the truck. It's beautiful. New aluminum radiator, new fan shroud. This side's no different. The jambs, sill plates, door seals, door latches, door handles. Tilt steering column, new instrument cluster. Truck's been sitting in here for a week, hasn't been started. Pumped the gas 3 times, started right up. Bright headlight indicator, left turn, right turn. I pressed on the horn the other day. I know the horn worked. Seemed like you pushed that. Newer Restro radio, kick panel speakers. Blower motor works. Wipers work. I don't know about the cigarette lighter. It didn't pop out, but billet specialty wheels, brand new wheels and tires, brand new exhaust. License plate lights, tail lights, turn signal. Exhaust sounds great on the truck. What a gorgeous little pickup. truck. Yeah, the paint's really that good. Very nice truck, show quality. It costs a lot of money to restore a truck to this length. I mean, it's lots and lots and lots of money. All the gauges seem to work on the truck. Seat and the interior of this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful spring day here in Iowa. Nice sunny weather. Can't complain about that. How nice that paint is. Look out over top of the hood there. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Really runs good, 70 mile an hour. Right down the highway. Come down here, we'll turn around, I'll get out and I'll show you the outside, out in the daylight. Man, what a great truck. The only thing I see is the steering wheel is just a little bit off center. Looks like you need to just move it off. The truck drives great. Down the road, it's super straight. Steering wheel is just a little bit off. You can see just that far out. We got a couple teeth off on the steering wheel and pull that off and recenter it. And yeah, the alignment's great, drives nice. What a nice truck. It's like 223 miles on it now, 223.7. So get out and show you the beautiful paint out in the daylight. Not a cheap truck. This is a very high-end truck. I don't think you can find somebody that put this good paint job on one. Everything's right, indicators are all right. Even smells brand new in here. Right down the road. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector vehicle. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching.